In this video, I will reveal this month's biggest risers and fallers in the FTSE 100 index, all the ex-dividend and payment dates, and finally I'll tell you exactly what I've been buying this month. This is not financial advice, so please do your own research. The FTSE 100 biggest risers this month. At number 5, up 8.5%, is BT Group. BT is a British international telecommunications company. They have reinstated their dividends and have made $1 billion in annual savings 18 months earlier than expected. Their half-yearly results were strong. At number 4, up 9% this month, is WPP, one of the world's largest advertising companies. WPP upgraded its guidance for the third time in a year as it benefits from a resurgence in the advertising market. At number 3, up 12% this month, is Intertek Group. Intertek are a leading product testing company and are on track to deliver full-year targets. At number 2, up almost 20%, is Royal Mail. A strong set of half-year results has seen the share price rally recently, and the group is expected to announce pre-tax profits of $791 million for the current year. Not only is the company expected to resume normal dividends, but a special dividend is expected in early 2022. At number 1, the highest riser this month is Auto Trader, the number 1 site to sell new and used cars. Shares have jumped recently due to record profits. Online car buying has been gathering pace and second-hand car prices have soared. And now for the biggest fallers this month. At number 5, down 16%, is Standard Chartered, the international banking and financial services company. 90% of its profits come from Asia, Africa and the Middle East. Third quarter results were not well received by the city, and a perceived lack of confidence in future trading, coupled with new COVID concerns, has hit the share price. Number 4 is IAG, the owner of British Airways, which is down almost 18% this month. The share price has suffered because of fears of the new COVID variant, and also investors were disappointed with the third quarter results. At number 3 is Johnson Matthey, down 23.7%. Johnson Matthey is a British multinational chemicals company. It recently announced it is to exit its electric vehicle battery business. It also cut its revenue guidance, and its CEO is leaving the company. At number 2, down 27.8%, is Flutter Entertainment. It cut its earnings guidance earlier this month and has temporarily exited its business in the Netherlands. And the biggest faller this month, by a whopping 35.6%, is Darktrace, the cybersecurity company. Darktrace IPO'd in April, but some of the private equity investors who backed the firm before its flotation have been selling heavily. A renowned analyst gave it a sell signal in October. Now for the ex-dividend dates for the month ahead. If you purchase a share on its ex-dividend date or after, you will not receive the dividend. Instead, the seller gets the dividend. If you purchased a share before the ex-dividend date, you will receive the dividend. Let's look at a popular company, National Grid. It goes ex-dividend on December the 2nd. If you hold the shares in National Grid before this date, then you will receive 17.2 pence for every share you hold, and it will be paid to you on the payment date, which for National Grid is the 19th of January. Royal Mail is paying out a special dividend as well as its normal dividend, and these will be paid on the 12th of January if you hold the shares before the ex-dividend date of the 2nd of December. Here are the remaining companies for next month. BT Group goes ex-dividend on the 30th of December, and a payment of 2.3 pence a share will occur on the 7th of February. A quick word of caution about dividend dates. You might think you can simply buy shares before the ex-dividend date and sell after the ex-dividend date and make some free money. However, you are unlikely to achieve this because you will normally find that the share price falls by the same amount as the dividend. In the past, I have purposely bought shares leading up to the ex-dividend dates, as I found it motivating knowing I would receive a dividend, even though it didn't really have a monetary advantage. One reason someone might purposely wait until after the ex-dividend date before buying is for tax purposes. If your shares are unprotected from tax and you buy after the ex-dividend date, then there will be no dividend on which to pay a dividend tax. And now for the dividend payment dates for the month ahead if you have held these shares before their ex-dividend dates. I've held 4 of these companies, Unilever, BP, Shell and Imperial Brands, for many years, so I'll be receiving 4 dividend payments in December. And here are my November trades. I very rarely sell shares as I'm a buy and hold investor. This month I bought the chemical company Croda, the consumer staple Unilever and the beverage company Diageo. If you found this video useful and would like me to do another market report next month, then please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.